Guys, please do not get disheartened if you have really thin, fine hair. I have really thin, fine hair, and if I am able to create these hairstyles out of my hair, then you can definitely recreate these hairstyles. For the fine hair, we generally have very less options, but these four hairstyles, including a bun, is going to be your go-to hairstyle. Plus, I've seen these hairstyles trending in Bollywood traditional parties or occasions like weddings or Diwali. So, without wasting any time, let's get to the video. First, I'm going to spray my hair down with some dry shampoo. That is the Batiste Dry Shampoo. This is the hands down the best dry shampoo I've ever found. I've used so many, but this works really beautifully with the fine and thin hair like mine. And I have a little oily scalp as well, so it works really well with my type of hair or my type of scalp. So I completely lost the clip where I went ahead and flat ironed my hair. I wanted to show it to you, but yeah, I completely lost that clip. But I wanted to tell you that I've already gone ahead and flat ironed my hair, and it took me around 10 minutes to flat iron my hair. I generally do not recommend using a flat iron on thin and fine hair because the thin and fine hair are highly susceptible to breakage and damage. So for the first hairstyle, I'm going to just part my hair sideways and leave my hair down open. This is like a no-brainer hairstyle. I love wearing this hairstyle with Indian or non-Indian dresses. For the second hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair in the middle and I'm going to take it up a notch by adding just a piece of small bindi in the middle. It's a plain bindi. I love wearing just plain bindi. For this next hairstyle, I'm going to part my hair in the side parting and parting my hair once more right above the ear from the lesser hair side and clipping it away. Now the idea is to create a rope from the clipped away hanging hair in the front and hide the ends of the rope in the back center of the head and cover it with the hair so that the end of the rope doesn't show. Also, the clips that we use to tuck it in place doesn't show. For that, I'm going to pick up a small bunch of hair right above where the rope would end and clipping it all away. Now start making a rope by dividing the clipped away front section hair into two and start making the rope by twisting and overlapping onto each other like this. Once you reach at the end, take two tic tac pins and clip it in place. Now let go of the top bun created and voila, you have the hairstyle ready. This hairstyle literally takes me around 3 minutes. That's it. You know what? I actually saw this hairstyle on Pariniti Chopra, and I know that she has all luscious, voluminous hair, but I gave it a try, and since then I love this easy peasy hairstyle. Now for the next hairstyle, I am going to curl my hair using the Conair curling wand. It is the Infinity Pro, I think. Yeah, it is the Infinity Pro. I have been using it from past 3 to 4 years almost, and I love the way it makes my hair look. They look really polished and not like crunchy or anything like that. It doesn't burn my hair. So for this hairstyle, now I'm going to part my hair in the middle and part my hair again roughly right above my ear and clipping them away. Now I'm going to make the three equal ponytails with the rest of the hair, not really low, but it's a mid-low. So yeah, and I'm sorry if you can see my white elastic or the white rubber band because I completely ran out of my clear elastic and the black rubber band. So I'm just working with this for this video. But I would highly recommend using a clear elastic, or if you have darker hair like mine, the black hair, then using a black rubber band. Go ahead and braid those ponytails into a three-strand braid and then pull them apart to give some volume. Once they are pulled apart and have some volume, I'm going to roll the ponytails in a bun, and to secure them in place, I'm going to use a lot of bobby pins. Just make sure that these buns are very close to each other so that they create a very nice low boho kind of hair bun. since my hair are way too silky, so I had to use around 14, 15 bobby pins for my kind of hair to hold these three in place. You can use and as many bobby pins as needed according to your hair. Now, for the hanging fringes in the front, just bring the left side of the fringe to the right side of the bun and pin it in place using a bobby pin, and bring the right side fringe to the left side of the bun and pin that in place. By doing this, you're going to hide all the bald spots that you have, like I did, and all the peeking through elastics. Now go over your bun once more, and if you see any pieces hanging out, you can definitely go ahead and pin them in place by using a U pin or a bobby pin, like I am doing right now. And voila, your hairstyle is all ready, and you are ready to rock the party. Guys, please do not get disheartened if you have really thin, fine hair. I have really thin, fine hair, and if I am able to create these hairstyles out of my hair, then you can definitely recreate these hairstyles if you want. Also, I wanted to say, do not underestimate the power of products. Do not underestimate the power of a dry shampoo and the hot tools. Do not use them on a daily basis because fine and thin hair are really susceptible to breakage. So please be very careful, please be very cautious, but do not underestimate the power of a product or hot tools at all.